transparent, and I think she gave us a better. I feel bad for her.
And I got this thing. That's so nice.
And in the set, there's a friendship bracelet.
I love this
bracelet.
extra.
It's so nice. And as you can see, the color's all coming out, but who cares?
It's okay because it's really nice.
And super cute because it's Hello Kitty, and we're about to finish our whole Hello Kitty cream puff, mini cream puffs like this
collection. But we got ours. The next thing we have
is this sponge. It's to make DIY sponge.
Yeah, it's so squishy.
I think it's a squishy making kit. Yeah, it's a small squish. It's just a sponge. And there are some seashells. Some of them are broken, but it's okay because there are some remaining alive seashells.
I know, right?
So the sponge is super soft and it's red in color. So what's next inside the bag?
Let's open it. Okay.
Oh, this is the one that I purchased from her.
This is what we purchased.
It's bun. As you can see, it's bitten, and inside it's bitten got some chocolate fillings.
And she writes words in here.
It says to Karen and Kezia. And there's a cell phone strap. It's just black, as you can see, so you can hang it.
I like this squishy because it has the floral pattern. And she said it was a melon bun, but it's not a melon bun.
But I don't care actually.
She thought this was a melon. Oh my god!
That's chocolate filling inside.
I said it. I didn't know.
And as you can see, I put one nail done and the other nail done. I'm really busy when I finish that.
Okay. Next thing we got is a bell, a green bell.
Kezia opened
it. It's like this.
She opened it. She opened it. She opened it. So this is how it looks like. It's a green bell.
Karen,
it matched my nails.
Karen, you have the purple one, right?
I don't know. There's another one. Oh, it's like the same. It's the same one. It's blue and that's just in the packaging. She opened it and threw it away.
Yeah.
You can use it for making squishy.
Karen one is blue in color.
The ways to put it is to put in your wallet and so.
Who cares about the wallet thing? So the next thing we got, let's see.
Is this candy? It says Air Mint at the back. It says Air Mint. And it says fair price and it's orange wrapping. I think we're definitely going to eat this, but how are we going to divide it? I want it.
We're going to do a challenge. Scissors, paper, stone. Scissors, paper, stone. Scissors, paper, stone. Scissors, paper, stone.
Looks like we can't eat it. That means we have to divide them. I hate sharing with you, sister.
I hate sharing with you also.
Anyways,
the next thing we got is a letter.
It's a last thing. It's a letter.
It says season greetings, I think, and there's a Christmas tree.
It's winters for Christmas because this year's going to be Christmas. That's our season.
May God bless you and your family. Merry Christmas. Love from Sinead.
Heart. Sinead signature. And it says best wishes for New Year.
Inside, pause it kind of.
So that's all for our treat package.
This is how the treat package
And this is
like.
the first treat package ever from Sinead Ava Portia. She's got a YouTube channel, and our big announcement is that we got a new YouTube channel called Book It Mara. But you can't just find Book It Mara because there are other kind of links to it.
So just say Book It Mara Vlog Trailer. Book It Mara Vlog Trailer. Book It Mara Vlog Trailer. So, see you guys next time. Bye.